Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video we are going to discuss about the subclass 651 eVisitor visa for Australia that uh, allows you to live in Australia for 3 months at a stretch, and it is granted for 12 months. So before I proceed further, let me tell you, like, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos based on your demands, and you are always encouraged to ask questions whatever comes in your mind, and you can always let me know what exactly you want to see so that I can upload the contents as per your demands. All right, so first of all, this is a temporary visa, and this is a because this is a visitor visa, so this does not allow you to work. Make sure you have these points in your mind. All right, now let's go through it. So you can stay up to 3 months at a time. The good thing is the cost is free, so you can get this visa for free. Processing time, the visa starts on the day it is granted. Okay, we process 90% of applications in 2 days, so it is very quick. All right, so with this visa you can visit family or friends, of course, when you are doing cruise or have a holiday, undertake business visitor activities, study or train for up to 3 months in some circumstances. But yes, because this is gonna allow you to stay for 3 months, but if you plan to stay longer, you need other visitor visas, or if you're planning to do study, you have other study or training visas that you can take a look at. And in order to apply for this visa, you must be outside Australia, hold a passport from a particular country. That means this is not applicable to the passport holders of all the countries. Okay, we will go through all of that. Let's go to the next about this visa so that we can know more about this visa in details. With this visa you can travel to Australia. Of course, this is an Australian visa, as a tourist, to visit family or friends, as a business. You can study or train for up to 3 months in total on this visa, but if your main reason for traveling to Australia is a study, a student visa might be more appropriate, of course, because if your course is longer or something, it's always good to have a student visa. Cruise, okay. Business visitor, make general business or employment inquiries, investigate, negotiate, enter into a review of business contract, conduct activities as part of an official government visit, take part in a conference, trade fair or seminar. The organizers can't pay you to take part. Okay, you gotta pay yourself. You can't work for or provide services to a business or organization based in Australia. Yes, this was something I told you in advance, because this is a visitor visa, not a work visa. And you cannot sell goods or business or services directly to the public. Okay, if you want to do short-term work in Australia that isn't a business visitor activity, consider applying for a temporary work visa, of course. How long you can stay? This is a temporary visa, we grant it for 12 months. You can enter Australia anytime. Your e-visitor is valid and stay up to 3 months at a time. The e-visitor is granted with multiple entry. You can leave and re-enter Australia as many times you want while it is valid. Yeah, of course. You can't stay longer. By extending this visa, you need to apply for another visa. So there are other visas options also, like tourist visa. Already, if you are already in Australia, you can apply for it and stay there. You can always explore your options. You can't include family members in your application. A separate application must be made for each member of your family, including those who listed on your passport. But it's okay because there is no fee for it. The e-visitor is free. You must be applying from outside Australia, and do not arrange to travel to Australia until we let you know in writing that we have granted you the subclass 651 visa. Okay, this is good. You must be outside Australia. Processing time, we already covered it. Health insurance, it's recommended. All right, now let's see the eligibility. Must have an eligible passport. So this describes what nationalities are allowed to avail this facility. So you must hold a passport from one of these countries to be eligible for eVisitor. You can see there are so many. You gotta meet health character requirements. There should not be any death. You must be a genuine visitor. Yeah, because you are not allowed to do work and other activities. You should have enough funds, of course, that's very important. Now let's go what's the process, because this is an e-visitor visa process. So the word e itself says it's gonna be an online process. Apply, you can apply for this online, provide information using your account, attach documents and submit. After you apply, you're gonna be uh, notified. They also send you an acknowledgement of receipt. See, they have mentioned here within 12 hours of applying, and based on the outcome you can plan to travel and abide by the conditions. These are the common instructions. So this is how it works. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything, you are always free to ask. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.